future assets. People around here, they call me the Sandman, just because I help my listeners sleep well at night. I answer the most troubled tax, legal, and financial questions each week. And that's because I'm an attorney and I've been running a tax and financial firm for over 30 years. So if you're just joining us earlier, I was talking about my roommate. So my roommate gave me a call last week. His name is John. You see, his mom, who's 84, fiercely independent and healthy, could drive, shop, all that kind of stuff, wicked smart. She was helping a neighbor out and she fell and broke her hip. And now he's worried about how this is going to get paid for because she's been needing care in her home now for a couple months. His dad had passed away years ago. And the bills are stacking up, getting expensive. Now, they had a plan as far as retirement plan. Her income was fine. Her house was paid off. She had Social Security coming in. She had a pension. She had a 401k and some savings. Everything was great. But now this happened, and it's getting very expensive. So John immediately picked up the phone, called me, and just said, "Oh, I need some help." This morning we're going to talk about 5 ways that John can access benefits to help pay for this care now that's getting expensive. In fact, we'll go through that today. What it looks like right now here in 2024 with inflation and low staff out there. The medical profession is getting decimated. It's because there's not a lot of people want to do it anymore. You can't blame them. And there we are. All right, well, let's get into it. So John's dad happened to be a veteran. And so the first way that John can help his mom here, and this is tax-free, by the way. We love tax-free income, don't we? That's basically free income. So do you like free income? Of course you do. So if your parent was a veteran, then your parent or your parent's spouse, in this case John's mom, is entitled to a benefit. And in this case, we're talking thousands of dollars. So more about the stories. My friend John lives up here in the Bay Area, and his mom lives down in Palm Desert. That's far. And so now this is a daily routine. The caregiver comes each day, make sure that she has her meals prepped, make sure that she has her clothes laid out, get into her clothes because it's tough for her to balance and put on her specific. But you know what I mean. Just think about it. Get dressed in the morning. A lot of stuff we take for granted. And then again, her mind is there. She's really good. She's just having fun moving around. So John has this caregiver there now every day. 24, not quite 24, maybe he's saying. Usually when she's up in the morning and then at night she's okay right now, but he's looking down the future and saying this could get worse. But she's not really getting much better. So I gave John a list. I'm going to give it to you now about when you hire a caregiver, what are some of the things you want to ask about? Because you're going to have to interview this person or this agency from miles away, and you want to make sure that they're legitimate, right? Before you send someone to your mom's house. I would recommend you do it in person if you can. That's what he did. He went down there and he interviewed these people using this interview, and he asked these questions and then from his gut and from the check that he did. abused. I had one who brought a pit bull over to the house. Imagine that. And the person hated dogs, like was scared to death of dogs, and now there's this dog running around. Yeah, I'm okay. Am I getting out of bed? Nope. Anyway, question. Is there a licensed nurse or social worker on your staff who's available for me if I have some questions? How will you provide communication to me when I'm working each day on what's going on, who's at my mom's house, how long are they there, how's my mom doing? Do you text? Do you email me? Will you call me? Right? These are all practical things that we all take for granted, but this is what you need to know. If you're writing this down. What are the costs? Now I know you want to know this because this is a big one, right? What's the cost right now? I'm going to give you a website to go check out. Go to genworth.com. This can be specific per state. Now California right now, this was updated. I just checked it. This is the website. The typical California resident pays, get ready, this is just for care, $6,864 per month for home care. John knows this specifically. In fact, he's paying a little more than that right now, but it's close. And this is extra on top of everything else. So think about that for a minute. You're sitting there with the checks coming in each month. You got some savings. Things are going fine. The house is paid off. Right? Everything's fine. You fall, break your hip. Now you're going to be in bed. You're going to be disabled for maybe a couple of years in this case. But she's 84, remember that. She doesn't recuperate as fast as they'd like her to. And her mind's sharp. So she can do the math, and she can see, and she's getting nervous that at $8,000 a month right now, and that's right now, she's going to need more if she gets worse. She doesn't get better physically, get out of bed, start using things and getting some of that muscle back. She's going to go the other way. And that can go for a while, years. And that means more money. And that means that $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 accounts you've got laying around, that could go away. And then what? Okay? For real? Yep. Check your assets. Name of the show. Okay, so my buddy's looking right now at this. This is according to Genworth. 24-hour care in the home right now, 30 days a month. Guess how much? $12,000. Wrong. That was a couple years ago. $14,000 a month in California. This is real right now. $14,000 a month. What other options do you have? Now this is not John, but if you're thinking about this for your folks, what else do you have out there? You can't afford that. You have adult day health care. So that's like you're near your mom, you go pick her up, bring her to adult daycare, you drop her off, come pick her up in a wheelchair, they bring her into the facility, they take care of her, and after school, you go pick her up and bring her home, right? That's the other alternative. $1,842 a month, much better. That's what it costs here, according to this survey. Assisted living facilities like the Redwoods over there in Marin, nice one. $62.50 a month. What about a nursing home? We're going to talk a lot about that today, because what is a nursing home? Why do you go to a nursing home? What does that cost? Why would you even think about that? Do you want to be in one of those? $13,231 a month. When I started this, I talked about the fact that John's dad was a veteran. Write this phone number down. 800-827-1000. Website, www.vaforveteransaffairs.gov. There are benefits available for you right now through the VA if, and this isn't John's mom's case, we're going to go get some of this money because he's eligible. You might be too, your parent might be too. This could be a couple $1,000s a month, free. Yeah, tax-free. And if you don't get it, you know what they're going to spend it on. If you don't like it, pick up this phone. 866-PROTECT. I'll send you my brochure about this subject. Call now and get it. Stop waiting around. 866-776-8328. Find out how you can get free money from the government to help pay for care in your home. 866-PROTECT. Talk to Phil, Agent or Lucas back there. 866-PROTECT. Coming up next, it's time for our popular They Say segment, where they say if you're denied long-term care, you'll never be able to get it. Is that really true? Well, I got 4 more to go to teach you about how to pay for this. Find out what that is and how you do it. If you've been denied, you're listening to Protect Your Assets with me, David Hollander. I am the Sandman. I'll be right back.
You've worked hard to get to where you are today, but are you protected from the next market corrections? Your peace of mind is too important to be sitting there wondering if your current plan is on the right track, wondering if you've had enough income for the rest of your life. You owe this to yourself. You're listening to the Protect Your Assets Radio Network.
This report is sponsored by Blindster.com.
Hi, I'm Kyle at Blindster.com. Shopping for new blinds? At Blindster, we offer over 50 different blinds, shades, and shutters at low prices, custom-made for your windows, and shipping is free. Shop at home and order 10 free samples of any product before you buy. Blindster.com.
Are you prepared for an emergency or disaster? Because it's not a matter of if, but when. Don't find yourself saying, when the storm rolls in, my time to find a pet-friendly evacuation center will have run out.
The scorching heat wave will leave me powerless to cool my influence.
I'll face a hurricane without meds. Now that's a tough pill to swallow. Let's prepare so we all have a better story to tell. Get started at ready.gov/olderadults. Brought to you by FEMA and the Ad Council.
My mom has taken up going to the park to practice yoga.
My dad's going to a club, but not a book club, a salsa club.
Finding new hobbies comes with age.
My mom has started getting lost and not knowing where she's going.
Becoming lost or disoriented doesn't. Confusion with time or place may be a sign of Alzheimer's. An early diagnosis can help improve the quality of life for your loved one. Learn the warning signs of Alzheimer's at 10signs.org. Brought to you by the Alzheimer's Association and the Ad Council.
After 80 years of learning his wildfire prevention tips, Smokey Bear lives within us all. Learn more at SmokeyBear.com. And remember,
can't stand seeing, law enforcement. Seeing law enforcement. I'm so fucking sick of living here. I have no money, so I'm forced to be here. Yeah. No safety, nothing. It's very, yeah. Don't visit, don't live here, don't work here. That's what I'm gonna say. And recommend you to do.